Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood Crypto Wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your Robinhood Crypto Wallet, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the main screen, locate the login button and tap it. Enter your registered email address or phone number associated with your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code via your chosen method. Enter the verification code in the specified area and tap Submit. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Crypto section. From there, select Wallet to access your crypto holdings. You should now be viewing your Robinhood Crypto Wallet dashboard, where you can see your available cryptocurrencies. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your email and password for accuracy. In case you forget your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Once logged in, ensure your account security settings are up to date. Utilize the features within your wallet to manage, buy, or sell cryptocurrencies as needed. You're now ready to explore your Robinhood Crypto Wallet with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.